Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make beautiful tile card graphics right inside PowerPoint, a modern design technique that instantly makes any presentation look clean, organized, and professional. Whether you're a beginner or a PowerPoint pro, this simple trick will take your slides to the next level. Let's jump right in. Start by opening PowerPoint. You can use a blank presentation or one of your existing slides where you want to add your tile card layout. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top. This is where you'll find all the creative tools we need. Click on Shapes, and from the drop-down, choose the rectangle shape. Now, draw a rectangle on your slide. This will be your very first tile. Once you've created it, we're going to make more tiles to form a grid. The easiest way is to duplicate your shape. Just select the rectangle and press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on a Mac. Keep duplicating until you have the number of tiles you want. Now comes the fun part, arranging and resizing your rectangles into a neat grid. You can line them up horizontally or vertically, depending on your layout style. Try to keep equal spacing between each tile for a balanced look. PowerPoint's alignment guides will help you snap everything perfectly into place. Once your grid is ready, click on one of the tiles and open the Shape Format tab. This is where you'll customize the look, change the fill color, outline, and even add rounded corners if you'd like. You can give each tile a unique color for a creative, modern look, or stick to your brand palette for a clean, consistent design. Don't be afraid to experiment. Contrasting shades and soft gradients can make your design pop. If you want to go a step further, you can even add icons or text on each tile. For example, use them to display features, categories, or key points in your presentation. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created sleek, eye-catching tile card graphics entirely in PowerPoint. No fancy software needed. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick PowerPoint design tips, and drop a comment below with what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep creating and stay inspired.